Tech Tip Thursday. When you're in your stores, pay attention to what's happening. So, just was watching, or just chatting with a technician, we were going over a repair on another unit, which I'm sure you will have seen in another video, or will see in an upcoming video. And you had to pull the lever a couple times to get the Mountain Dew to stop. If you see it, it's easy to just take care of it while you're on site. So this little micro switch, you could probably get away with just washing this one, but it's a Mountain Dew. And I can tell you right now that Mountain Dew gets an awful lot of use. This little switch is very inexpensive. It's going to be easier just to swap it out quick, make it right for the customer, and get them where they need to be. This is the kind of thing that is really important while you're in your stores, because it's the difference between them being our customer forever and being our customer that doesn't come back because you have to wash your hand every time you get a Mountain Dew. Pay attention, watch your surroundings, make sure to keep those blinders off. This is the kind of stuff that makes a big difference, especially when you're there taking care of stuff that's in that area. So hopefully this helps you out. It's a little bit of a Tech Tip Thursday, more of a customer service Thursday. So little things make a difference. I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.